Hello everyone, and today we will discuss more about the get and post methods. So let's open our editor, and you can see we have all of these values through this print r method right here. Okay, so how can we access the single values like the name, the first name, the last name? Okay, so how can we access them? So let me remove this, and I will go as we are using here the post method. So here we will use $echo $underscore post. If you are using the get method, so we will use $underscore get method, and then the square brackets, and then the field name, which is this one here, write this one. Okay, so if name, I will copy that and paste it right up. Okay, and the semicolon. So now let's check it, refresh the page, and now you will see only the Jan method. Now you can see the Jan value here because we have accessed the name field only. So I will duplicate it and I will change this to the first name, and let's refresh the page. So now we will see both of the values. Okay, so now let's enter the page, and now you can see we have undefined index. We will check our forms in the next video. How can we remove these errors? Okay, so that's it for this video now. Okay, bye, thanks, and see you in the next class.